So student, I am Asit Tiwari. Today in the 11th history, the lesson from the beginning of time, our today's topic is the positive feedback mechanism. In this topic, we will just make the understanding of the evolution of the human from the primates to the Homo sapiens. So let's we see different skull size and distinctive jaws distinguish one human species to the another human species. Means passing of the time, these two just part of the body were very responsible for characterized the, you will say, human beings, and this is called the positive feedback mechanism. So student, let we see, as you know very well, increase in size and capacity of brain. What is the role of this type of the, you will say, evolution in the human? What they played the role? So they played the role for the tool making. When they started for the tool making, means when they just started for making the kind of these object, so they just enabled them to walk hand freely, and they can use also the tools as well as they can also carrying their infant. Means now they can walk over the ground on their 2 feet without the support of hand. That let them just developed as a very, will say, the very distinctive creature in the earth. Means they became very separate from the animal, because animal they were just moving, or they move over their four, you will say, part of their body. Means mostly they use their all the legs of their body, but human beings, they became separate from the animal, because now they were not using their hand was will say very important for the human beings. Now they were just supporting the, you will say, human for making the tools and for carrying the infants, for doing something which was very different from the legs. Means legs work was to just let them to walk over the surface, and hand work was to let them to support to do other things which can support the body also, which can their, you will say, increase their strength of the body also. Even sometimes when they are walking, so these hands were also supporting them to just run very fastly, and so many other type of the thing. So then the human became the upright man, means Homo you will say erectus. So in such a way they just walk over the ground, and in such a way there were many of the development was seen, such as a visual surveillance. Visual surveillance means now they can very able to look the foresight, means they can look the distant size, and they can also able to walk very freely, even when they are just doing something as a hunting or so many type of the other things. So these things became very you will say innovative, because their size of the brain and capacity of the brain was increased. In such a way many of the, you will say, development was you will say continued, and this was the part of evolution. So this was a part of bipedalism enabled in the 3.6 million years ago. These were the type of this development was seen in the various places, such as Atoll, Tanzania, and fossil limbs were also found in the Hadar, Ethiopia. So these were something which were also recorded in the evidences, and they were also the proof that what type of the development was seen in the, you will say, human beings, and they became very you will say common for the early men. And 2.5 million year ago the glaciations was also started, that led the changes in the climate and vegetation, and this also resulted the reduction of temperature, and many of the things also increased. In such a way the, you will say, grassland, they became very extent over the expense of forest, and they resulted for the, you will say, end of the Australopithecus, and Australopithecus which was ended and the new Homo it just come in the place of Australopithecus, and this was a kind of evolution also. So this type of the development was continued in the you will say human, and this was a kind of result of this type of the development in their bodies, which was you will say ever seen, and these development was continued as the early men's they just they just became very you will say convenient over their function over their body. So all the organs of the body they also supporting to the human, and human the continue evolution was there in their body, and various development such as I have told you. The glaciations means the whole the earth where the snow fall was continued, and various part of the world where the rainfall was not there, and this type of the kind of changes led the earth into the grassland, and this situation also will say not very positive for the you will say existed human creatures and many of the other animals. So hope you are getting well all these lecture over the positive feedback mechanism, and they also support you to understand well. So student, thank you for watching me, and thank you to listening me.